Hi guys, this is Rebekka with ESI Audio, and today I'm gonna show you how you can record your guitar and voice with your smartphone and this little powerful device. Let's go! And this is what you need to prepare your recording. UGM192 by ESI. This is a small guitar and microphone USB audio adapter with 24-bit and 192 kHz. With this ultra portable and yet powerful USB interface, you can record a stream literally everywhere. You need a mobile device. We are using an iPhone. It would also work with an iPad. By the way, UGM192 is class compliant, so it is not necessary to install any special driver. You only need to connect it and you can use it right away. You need a recording app running on your phone. In this video, we show you how to record with Garageband from Apple, since it is quite powerful and popular. You could also use any other recording app. You need the Lightning to USB adapter from Apple, a USB cable, which is included with UGM192, headphones, since you want to be able to hear what you're recording, and an external power supply, like this portable power bank. By the way, it is only necessary when you are using a mobile device. When you use your laptop computer, you don't need that. In this case, UGM192 will be bus-powered by simply connecting it to your computer. Of course, you need your guitar and the guitar cable to connect it. And for vocal recording, you need a microphone. We use the Cosmic 10, a cardioid condenser microphone, but you might as well use any other mic, no matter if it is a condenser mic or a dynamic microphone. To plug in the mic, you need an XLR to TRS cable. All we need to do now is connect the cables like this. Since we're using a condenser microphone, we push this little button to enable phantom power. With the monitor switch, you can control the real-time hardware input monitoring of the device. Push it once to enable mono. Now you hear the signal of the input channel 1 on the left output channel and the signal of input 2 on the right output channel. Press the button again to enable stereo. Now you can hear signal 1 and 2 on both output channels. UGM192 offers direct monitoring, so with your headphones on you can listen to your signal without any latency. That is especially convenient when checking the input level, since it allows you to adjust the microphone level better. With the button Mic Gain, you can control the input gain of the microphone input channel 2. Push it once to increase the level by 20 dB in volume. Push it twice to increase it by 30 dB. Now you're ready to record. Open Garageband and create a new track. To give you an example, we recorded a little blues improvisation. So you can hear our recording in the next few seconds and see where to click if you want to record guitar and voice with Garageband in 2 separate tracks.
Oh, I wanted to be good here, baby, but you keep on hurting me. Hurting me now. Now's the time to make it stop, and you gotta take your hands off me. I wanted to dream with you, baby, so why did you wake me up? I said I wanted to dream with you, baby, so why did you wake me up?
We are always interested in what you do with ESI devices, so why not post a link to your YouTube channel under this video to show us what you are currently working on. And don't forget to subscribe to get more tips and tricks about recording. See you next time!